Deep in the wilderness, who will hear you scream? These are true stories, human, unknown, unexplained. The missing 411 files inspire thousands, but some tales never make the news. Picture this. 3 friends camping near Pike National Forest, Colorado. The tent glows from a single lantern. The woods are quiet, but the quiet is never empty. Crickets chirp. Then, a twig snaps. Another closer. Breath rasps against the nylon walls. Something, or someone, is circling.
Whoever you are, leave.
Shadows move outside, then a hand, bigger than you'd expect, presses against the tent, smearing the fabric. The friends erupt, screaming. Whoever it is bolts into the trees. When they search with flashlights, there's nothing. No prints in the dirt. Only that greasy handprint still wet on the nylon. Rangers would later warn, never camp alone near those woods. Unresolved assaults have been logged nearby. Facebook bulletins say unattended tents illegal, but some warnings come too late. June 2015. A solo hiker sets out in Yosemite. The trail is marked, the day is clear, until the fog rolls in and the woods swallow all sound. He hears music. Not birds, not wind, music. He follows deeper and deeper until he finds a staircase standing all alone in the trees. No ruins, no path, just stone steps leading nowhere.
It felt wrong, like it wanted me higher.
Hours blur. The next thing, the hikers found, dazed, miles off any trail. Search and rescue teams treat him for hypothermia. He can't say how he got there, he can't say if he climbed. Conspiracy buffs go wild. Some link these lures to the missing 411 disappearances, even Navajo skinwalker legends. No proof, just a cold feeling, and stories that keep stacking up. Georgia, 2021. 2 women pull into a rest area campground just before dark. A lone hiker appears, smiling, offering coffee by their fire. He's gone before sunset. At 3 a.m., crunching footsteps outside their tent snap them awake. Boots stop inches from the flap. One woman's hand closes around the handle. Heart pounding, they burst out shouting. The stranger sprints into the pines, vanishing in seconds. Later, investigators tie him to other camp stalker reports across the state. Same M.O. Friendly at dusk, terror at night, gone by sunrise. His name, no one ever found out. Campfires hide fear. Every rustle could be a footstep or folklore.
Still brave enough to camp?
Subscribe for more midnight true tales before the fire dies out.